Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change your calendar perms in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's say we don't want our application to access our calendar. How to change it? First, we need to go to Settings. Now we're looking for Security and Privacy options right here. And here at the bottom is Permission Manager. Right now, 5 out of 6 applications installed on this phone are allowed to use and see our calendar. Let's change it. Let's say I don't want Google to see my calendar and what's in there. So just tap the application we want, Google in our case, do not allow. If you deny this permission, basic features of your device may no longer function as intended. But I don't want Google to see my calendar. Do not allow anyway. Back out, and now Google is not allowed to use my calendar. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.